Hi there. Today we are going to learn how to create a body on child theme in your WordPress site. We are still using a local website in this tutorial. I am assuming that you have already created a child theme. If not, we have a separate video for that, so feel free to check it out. So, the first thing we are going to do is navigate to your WordPress files. From there go to WP content file, then themes. Then open up the file of your parent theme. In our case it's 2021 theme. Then find the index.php file. Copy the file. Then paste it to your child theme folder. You might be wondering, what file is this index.php file? Well, the index.php file you just copied is the body file that we need to put to our child theme. Let's try opening the file. This is the content of the index.php file. This line 17 here is a function that calls our header, the part of our page which contains the navigation or menu and our logo. Same with this line of code below. This one is also a function, but it gets the footer, which contains social media information, addresses, and so on. And this part of code here is a condition, that shows our homepage. This part here shows our blog page. We can try echoing a phrase to test it out if it's working. Like a sample greeting. So, let us check if it will show. Naturally, it is a blog post, so it is located in our blog page. Let's try viewing the page. And there it is. Every code in this file has its own equivalent in our website. For example, this getHeader function here is equivalent to this. And this getFooter function here is equivalent to our footer. But take note, only modify things that are only essential or really needed. Unless it is not, refrain from editing your index.php file, because it might affect your overall website theme. And that's how you create or add the body on child theme in your WordPress site. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.